This is pepper, ginger, cilantro, and green onion. Chopped it in small pieces and pour into a big bowl. And right there, my Lord's still chopping the pepper. There you go. This is Viz chopping on Guy. Pretty good, huh? Pretty scary too. Pork. It's Viz. And this is on Guy. Look how nasty it is. Nasty, dude. Man, don't mess up. So you're putting at least one pinch. Oh, probably 2 or 3 pinches of salt into the seasoning. 3 or 4. And then raw pinot, at least 2 or 3 pinches of pinot. And then you just stir it. Stir it really well. Make it all the stuff blend together. The ginger, the cilantro, the green onion, and the pepper blend together. Oh.
More, do it. Oh.
I am. Okay. Now my blueberries are stuffing in the thingy. Sangai.
Stuffing. That looks delicious.
No, just keep taking it.
Even when I go to sleep, I still can hear your voice. And those words you never will forget. Heaven is a place if you try and look for me, maybe you'll find me someday. Heaven is a place nearby, so there's no need to say goodbye. I wanna ask you not to cry. You'll always be by your side.
Can you pop it?
Tube or something.
Okay, if the thing is too thin, or you can't stick them in, you could put a spoon in it to make it wider and easier.